Hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Emmanuel. I'm a Montessori educator with over 15 years hands-on teaching experience. So in this channel, I share practical tips, clear explanations, and easy activities that will help parents and educators nurture confident, independent, and joyful learners. So in this channel, you will discover Montessori principles and philosophy explained simply, how to use the Montessori principles and philosophies in teaching and parenting, step-by-step guidance on the Montessori materials and their learning benefits, daily life activities that prepare children for life and for school. And you will also find affordable and free printable Montessori resources. So whether you are new to Montessori or a seasoned educator, you will find ideas that are simple and easy to follow, ideas that are budget friendly and are deeply respectful of the child. So hit on the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that I don't miss out on any of our videos.